Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba CKMB Biochemistry kit. So as you can see, this is the top view and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is the Erba Mannheim LIQUIXX CKMB kit. You can see the catalog number of 120848. It is IFCC method kinetic kit. It has two reagents, the CKMB reagent 1 of 2 into 8 ml, the CKMB reagent of 2 into 2 ml. So it is a C certified IVD product and can be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry date. It has a standard expiry of 1.5 years. You can see it is manufactured here in India by Transasia. So this is the CKMB kit. This is the top view, this is the front view and the side view. So as you can see, this is the CKMB kit. To summon this up, it has a catalog number of 120848. It has two reagents of 2 to 8 ml and 2 into 2 ml. It has a storage temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Thank you.